ukuthi uyazi ukuthi uSARS ufika taxe umholo wakho mase phinde futhi ataxe imali yakho oyisavile from umholo wakho mase phinde futhi ataxe imali yomuzi wakho owudayisile owawuthenga ngemholo wakho owawutaxiwe mase futhi aphinde ataxe ipension yakho mase retire mase ke sofile aphinde uSARS ataxe iestate sakho ngithi akazi lokho woza ngitshela uSARS i-institution ya government eyenzelwe ukuthi isize redistribute i-wealth across South Africa. uSARS uthatha imali from wonke umuntu eSouth Africa osebenzayo kuya ngokuthi uhola malini. Mohola less than 20,000 uSARS uyayithatha u10%. Mohola more uSARS uyawuthatha u20 no30 even 45% of your salary. Ngithi awazi lokho? A couple of days ago ngenza ivideo yeSARS and lokho yilokho engakufunda. uSARS is a giant abuse abantu. Ithatha imali yabantu. Ayinandaba noma uyi-domestic worker uhola u3,000 ayinandaba uSARS uzoyithatha imali yakho. uSARS futhi ukuthi awukhokhi uzithathela wona imali yakho. Uyayiganisha ayithathele yona imali yakho ebank uSARS ukuthi wena awukhokhi. Ngifunde futhi ukuthi uSARS uyayenza imistake. So kubalekile ukuthi masenza ama-tax returns akho ube ne-tax accountant ekuyiyona ezokusiza ubale imali oyisha ithi uSARS. Yazi uSARS ngendlela ohlukumeza ngayo abantu. Mina mengiyenkantolo mhlambe ngine-client lesivo mhlambe omama engeke ngihambe nabo ngenkantolo benenkinga ye-school fees zengane. Uthola umama uyagula uphethwe ambulance. Lo mama lona une-stress sani, une-stress school fees zengane. Une-stress subsidy, une-stress sobaba wengane ongafuni ukondla ingane. Mase on top of that une-stress SARS ukuthi uSARS uthatha imali yakhe. uSARS manje ubhizi ufuna ukuthatha imali yabonanga. Yebo abantu abazonda ubonanga bafuna ukubona ubonanga ethathelwe le mali just like bebejabula uma Mkhize ethathelwe imali yakhe. Kodwa ama-Pakistan njengoba ngishila anezitolo eziwu-200,000 eSouth Africa kodwa wona ukhokha tax. Ama-Chinese, they have built industries in this country, big businesses, but they don't pay tax bona. Ithina nje sikhokha tax. Omunye kade comment uthene yena kuleli zwe akulona abantu bokufika ama-illegal immigrants akuyibona akhokha i-tax bona they don't pay tax. Imagine thina la South Africa it's beginning to be hard to be South African in South Africa. Ngoba uthi wakhumuza ekhumbula kwaku diphiza labantu abakhe illegally kwa diphiza imizi yabo. Manje ke baya dispossess abantu aba-owesha uSARS. uSARS lo ofanele athathe imali ukuze enze i-statue zo-22 million. Enza ama-hospitals for ukuthi gcwala abantu bokufika. Bazala ingane nga4 nga5 ezibhedlela zethu mahhala. Yazi we have to speak about le giant lena kuSARS. iSARS kuzokumele kube khona i-solution. Ngeke ikwazi lekisithekisa kanje, ngeke ikwazi lekisithekisa kangaka. Imali zethu esisebenzelile ngamandla ethu, imali zeingane zethu. Ngoba uSARS never stops taxing you. It never stops taxing you. And it's not fair. It just carries on the cycle of poverty. Already, we've got black tax. Already, sondle abazali bethu. Already, sondle ama-unemployed siblings endling. And then, faneskokela uSARS. And inkulu imali sasoSARS ayincane. We need a solution for this SARS. Maybe uSARS lo kuzomela ukuthi athathe 6 times a year i-tax yakhe kumuntu. Angathathi 12 times a year. Asingakhokheli ukuphila kulomhlaba wethu. abasidispozesa wona ngasingakhokheli ukuphila lana. Awuthathi imali 6 times a year. Awungathathi tax from the things that you bought from the salary that was taxed. Awungasitax uze ufe. Yazi usazi ukutaxa uze ungene ngaphansi kwegodi. So I was taxed 6 times a year. As prescribe isikweletu saka-SARS. And awutaxe nabantu bokufika. Abantu bokufika ababawubona abakhokhela i-tax la South Africa, not us South Africans. Because it's people they died for our freedom. We've already paid tax to. Labantu bokufika kube bona ke manje bakhokha i-tax. We need to stand together, guys.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Guys, SARS is really cooking my taxpayers ke sana nje. If usebenza kahle uyathexwa angathi ngathi unebhadi or ungathini, because it's something vele kumele yendeke, but the way SARS senda ngakhona qha Nkosi yami sowenda kakhulu. SARS unemali le ngale indlela liqakile because bathexa yonke into, ubathexa yonke into. It's like SARS ayifuni nje kubona abantu banemali, hlezi ifuna ihwaya kwasani. And this lady like she was basically breaking it down ukuthi bathabo boss SARS ikutaxa tukwa nani. I'm like, what? Letinye into I didn't even know about them. And at this point ngiyabona ukuthi SARS is really cooking my South Africans, because what? Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.